I won them at Lurie Garden. Piet Oudolf sharing with Catherine and the group, and they're assessing gardens again. So I thought it'd be fun to see. This is a continuous thing. Gardening is not done once you plant it and just keep weeding. The whole key to gardening is the assessment. Look at how things are doing. That's not change everything all the time, but it's enhancing and adding, and at what scale you do it. So let's take a look at what's happening here. That's Catherine.
That domino is so good.
Don't film that, Roy.
It's too much.
It is too much. We did add this Calictrum black stockings this year, so having that with a grass around it.
I would say
No?
take it out, replant it, but then you save the plants you like. Yeah?
Okay, save
Because
save
better
the
to take everything out and going around everything and leave that, and then some things come back, and you know, you can refresh the soil, you can just replant. Don't you think, Austin? That's what it is. Yeah, it's a lot of row, it's a lot of
well,
things.
and like the
if you
phlox
want-
is
and if-
problematic too.
Yeah, take it out.
Okay, so
That's undesirable.
It's called a clean slate.
yeah, I guess.
It looks very
This is
long
Kristen,
over there.
everybody.
And this becomes too big, so if you do something good on the black field, or you know, that one, and you need more colorful
Take
up here, maybe
everything.
more like twilight, or
We added some twilight.
So that's part of it.
Okay,
Everyone
so black.
assessing and doing it as a team works well. Hi everybody, it's just before sunrise, so I thought I'd come out to Lurie Garden and get some images and take you for a kind of a virtual tour. The garden's beautiful this time of year. I mean, look at the textures, look at Parthenium. How you make that more interesting and somewhat attractive, isn't it? I mean, when we look at what makes something attractive, it's hard for us to define that with the Echinacea pallida, the seed heads, liatris. Oh, that's actually digitalis, sorry digitalis. Amsonia, drifting to a breccia. So let's take a quick look. Textures. Wow. Allium Summer Beauty. Not bad. Monarda. Look at Monarda mixed in here and there, but look at the seed heads of Echinacea pallida. There's a lot to look for in the big picture, but yet intimately. You could spend 1 hour just looking through here, especially if you had a little sketchbook. It doesn't matter how your sketches look. It doesn't matter how you're going to show them to people. It's not about how can I represent myself to other people. It's about how do you represent yourself to yourself. How you find your way of being within the beauty you love. Don't what the hell with other people. Find who you are and find what you love. It's not about how am I going to get criticized or how am I going to get viewed. Become a gardener. Become a place to have where you can be your own best friend and come to know these plants. Let's take a look on this side. Look at the little blue stem. I think this is Schizactrium Little Luke that I found up on Bald Bluff. It's a beautiful fall color. Look at the height. Very short. Look at the towers of Agastache. There's the digitalis. And then the towers of Agastache drifting through here. Look at how it matches the skyline. Isn't that cool? It's all about how you feel, how you grow into who you want to become. Again, don't worry about everybody else. Let everybody else be everybody else. And then when you find the right groups to be with, you find time to be with them, and then you extend that into the culture. Extend it into the culture. Look how beautiful. It's all about how you feel and how you find love in the world. This is, look at it, look at the seed heads. And some people would walk right by, you know, eating a breakfast sandwich on their way to work, but yet they would pause here. In this garden, there would be a time to pause. All right, let's see the sun come up. Beautiful day. Thanks for listening. And again, these are Diblik opinions. This is not something shared by everybody. So it's a Diblik opinion. See you later, everyone.